Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to move your Cardano from the Arculus wallet to the Phantom wallet. It's a straightforward process that can help you manage your assets more efficiently, especially with all the new updates in blockchain tech this year. Today, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do this confidently and securely. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and your Cardano ready to transfer. Start by opening your Arculus wallet app on your device. Log in with your credentials. Remember, always use two-factor authentication for extra security. Once you're in, navigate to your Cardano holdings. You'll see a list of your assets. Select Cardano to view your balance. Next, switch over to your Phantom wallet. This is where you'll get the receiving address. Open the Phantom app, go to your Cardano wallet section, and copy the wallet address. It's super important to double-check this address to avoid any mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Now, head back to Arculus. In the Cardano section, look for the Send or Transfer option. Paste the Phantom wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Cardano you want to send, and review the transaction details. You'll see fees and network info. In 2025, Cardano's network is even faster, so expect quick confirmations. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to verify everything. Is the address correct? Is the amount right? Once you're sure, go ahead and approve the transaction. You'll need to confirm it with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric scan. After that, sit tight. The transfer should process on the Cardano blockchain, which typically takes just a few minutes. Once it's done, check your Phantom wallet to see your Cardano has arrived. If you run into any issues, like network congestion, don't panic. Just wait and monitor the transaction status. And there you have it. Your Cardano is now in Phantom wallet. This process keeps your funds safe and gives you more flexibility. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. What's your next crypto move? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.